Welcome to the EZLynx course on Applicants tabs. This course provides a high-level navigation of all the applicants tabs once the applicant is created in EZLynx. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, or articles in the Help widget found in the top right corner for more information. After you create an applicant, you will be brought to the Details tab. If you need help creating an applicant, please see our videos and help articles on how to create an applicant. This is a good time to double-check the information entered for the applicant like name, date of birth, and driver's license. Scroll down, and you will find the address and contact information section. If you make any changes on this page, please click Save. Next to Save, you may have three options for creating an auto, home, or dwelling fire application. If you need guidance on creating a rating application, please see our videos on how to create applications. Next, we will cover the Overview tab. You will be taken directly to this tab when you click on the Overview tab or search for an applicant using the search bar at the top. At a quick glance, you can view policies and applications. You may also see task, email campaigns, claims, and accounting info if available. You can click on the setting gear to access settings for many of the widgets. To the top right, you have an Actions button. Click this button to add a policy or application. Additional actions will allow you to add an email campaign, invoice if you have accounting, forms, documents, link account and merge applicant. Next is the Policies tab. This tab will give you information about policies. To add a manual policy, click Add Policy to the top left. Under that you can see the total premiums and time with agency for the client. On the policy you can click on the Forms icon to access forms. Next to that is the Policy Actions icon. This gives you options like Compare, Edit, Renew, and Merge. To the top left you will have the option to modify shown fields. This will allow you to edit the fields in the policy collapsed view. Additionally, you can switch to table view, which is great for clients with multiple policies. Next, we will cover the Quotes tab. Here you will see quote generated from submitting rating applications for a client for the past 18 months. You can also add manual quotes by clicking on the Add Quote button. Next is Lead Info. Here you will have the ability to add a lead source for your applicant, fill in the sold policy information, which is important for reporting, and view consumer quoting portal information. If you are an admin, you may have the ability to change the assigned producer agent by clicking on the Select User icon. Additionally, if you make any changes on this page, click Save. Next is the Documents tab. Here you can view any document and emails saved for the applicant. To add a document, click on Add to the top right. To use the Actions menu, you must first select a document. Then you will have options for Move to, Share, Remove Share and Delete. Under the General Documents is the e-signature section. Here you can create an e-signature and view any that have been sent. Next is the Certificate tab. On this tab you can create, distribute, and view existing certificates. Certificates are broken down into 5 categories: current, expiring, expired, pending, and unknown. Please be sure to check all the categories. Next is the Activity tab. Here you can view discussions, notes, and emails sent from EZLynx. Click on the line item to expand and view. Next, if you have accounting, you will have the Invoices tab. Here you can view invoices, add direct bill payments, and add receipts. Lastly, if you have a commercial applicant, you may have a Submissions tab. This tab is for Submissions Center. A good tool to use from submit to bind for commercial applications with carriers where automation is limited. Again, to learn more info about any of these tabs, please view our help articles using the help icon to the top right, or check out our other YouTube videos. That is all for this course. You should now have the knowledge and skills needed to navigate through the applicants tabs. Thanks for watching.